Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past questions biology 2018 question number 12. An example of radially symmetrical organism is A. Planaria, B. Hydra, C. Tapeworm, D. Roundworm. Now, in order for us to appreciate this question very well, we need to know what a radially symmetrical organism is. What does it mean for an organism to be radially symmetrical? Now, we can state that radial symmetry is actually when the body of an animal, whenever you have the body of an animal, or when the body of an animal can be cut along its axis in any plane, to give two identical halves. So whenever you can cut the body of an animal along its axis in any plane to give two identical halves, then you can say that that animal is radially symmetric. So what are the examples of animals that are radially symmetric? Examples of such animals are: number 1, Hydra; number 2, jellyfish, etc. So these are the two major radially symmetrical organism, Hydra and jellyfish. So what do you say? It's a radially symmetrical animal or organism. Organisms that when its body is cut along its axis in any given plane or in any plane, it can give two identical halves of such an organism. So Hydra is a very good example of a radially symmetrical animal, as can be seen from these two examples that I gave. So another one is also jellyfish. So the right answer for these is B, because Hydra is a radially symmetrical organism, and this is because a radial symmetry is actually when the body of an animal can be cut along its axis in any plane to give two identical halves. So good examples of radially symmetrical organisms are Hydra and jellyfish, and that makes option B the right answer for these. Thank you.